Alright guys, so welcome to my APCS project. So for this one, I made a Minecraft cheat. So first thing I'm going to be showing is the no render. So in no render, you have like a lot of options: no fire overlay, no liquid, no suffocation, no fog. So as an example, I'll show if we go, it disables the fog in the back, just like that. And then if we go under lava, we don't see that like annoying overlay. And then if we go in water, we don't see an overlay either. Normally it would look like this. Next feature is going to be like the day changer. So if I enable this, it'll like always make it daytime or whatever you want. But if I disable this, then you'll see it's night. Next thing is the ESP. So if I like enable this and then I change this to like netherite blocks, then it'll like make all netherite blocks highlighted, and there's different types of glow modes. So there's a wire mode and then also like physical glow. And you can also have tracers to it as well. And next thing is like the show player list. So if you enable this, we can like deconstruct like a player and see everything about them, their armor they're wearing, and then like what's in their hands, and if they're sneaking or sprinting. Next thing is gonna be the storage scanner, which is right here. And you can have this, so if I were to like open a chest here, I could search diamond and it'll highlight all diamonds or netherite and anything that contains like a specific phrase. Next thing would be the self crystal. So the way this one works is if I were to grab end crystals, this is good for PvP. It'll blow up any crystals I place automatically. Then if we go up here, I can show the auto anchor, which is like this. So if I have like so let me go out a bit here. So if I place an anchor, it'll automatically blow it up. Oh, I forgot to enable it. But normally what you have to do is you have to go like that, and then if I enable it now, all I have to do is just place it and it'll immediately blow up. And then next thing would be aim assist. So if I teleport my other account here, then it'll immediately lock on and just start tracing it. And then the next thing would be the auto crystal. So the way this works, if you hit them, it'll automatically, like when it knocks them back, it'll automatically blow up a crystal as well. Next is auto totem. So if I were to get some totems here, and if I go in survival, I can also showcase totem notify as well. So if I go in game mode survival, and I go 22 blocks up, you go a bit more. So it'll pop my totem, and then it'll auto equip another one, and then it'll tell me at the top. Next is gonna be the let me see, this interaction canceller. So if I enable that, it'll just stop rendering armor stand. So if I get like ender pearls, then I can actually just easily pearl out. But if I have this off and someone traps me, I can't pearl at all. Then is gonna be the auto disconnect. So let me go back up here. So the way auto disconnect works is it's like a proximity condition. So if I enable it and then I have like it on like 2, then if I get within a range of 2 blocks, then oh, I forgot to enable it or prime it there. So I was within 2 blocks and it just disconnects me. So if I go back here and I enable it, it'll kick me. The rest of it is kind of just like utility stuff, but mainly player ESP is also really good. So it'll just draw like an overlay of players, and you can actually pick the color as well. So if I want to do like red, then it'll do red. But yeah, that's my cheat. So I can like show a bit of the code, but it's a lot of code. But I can show like one of the like the menu. Like the menu had a lot of work. And for the menu, I use this thing called IMGUI. And there's a version of it. It's mainly in C++, but there's a Java version as well. And oh sorry, one of the main features I forgot to showcase actually is here. So this one's like really cool. So what it does is if you were to go to the nether or something, then if I were to go down a bit, then if I find the world seed, so I'm in this case I'll just do such seed. But if I go here to seed ray and I put the seed in, I can put like as much distance as I want. So what it will do is using the nether seed, it will try to calculate where ancient debris would normally spawn. So instead of using like an X-ray kind of thing where it scans the world, it will instead just use only the seed. And the code for this is really long, so I'll just try to show a bit of it. It's like called Ore Simulator. So what it does is it will just try to like take the seed and it'll calculate elliptices, and it'll try to like see depending on like ore chances and everything with all that. But yeah, thank you for seeing my cheat. Hope you guys liked it.